size, cost, utility, speed and efficiency, computer can be broadly classified into the following categories. Mainly, computer classified into these four categories. First one is supercomputer, second one is mainframe computer, third one is mini computer and fourth one is microcomputer. Okay, so let's first learn about supercomputers. Supercomputers are large in size computers and so they are also called monsters. Supercomputer is very large, almost occupy one room or one hall. That's why it is also called a monster because it is large in size. Okay, they are used to perform the most complex tasks which require high speed and precision. It takes a supercomputer 90 seconds to do the work which your PC could do in 20 hours. Your personal computer, PC means personal computer, takes 20 hours to do that task which a supercomputer take only 90 seconds. So you can image that how much fast the supercomputer is. Okay, so that's why it is only used to perform a most complex task. Okay, supercomputers are used in weather forecasting, defense technology and scientific research. Because it is used to perform most complex tasks, it is used in weather forecasting, defense technology and scientific research. Mainly used in scientific research. Okay, in space technology they are used to design and construct a rocket and satellites, launch them into a space and also control and monitor their movement. Because it is mainly used in a complex task and scientific research, it is used in design a rocket and satellites and also monitor their movement when they launch in a space. Okay, second type of computer is mainframe computer. These computers are smaller than a supercomputer but they are very fast and expensive too. Smaller than a supercomputer but a mainframe computer is more fast than a supercomputer and more than 100 people can use a mainframe computer at the same time. More than 100 people can use a mainframe at the same time. If you want to use mainframe computer and your friend also you want to use a mainframe computer at the same time, at this moment you both can use a mainframe computer at the same time. Okay, more than 100 people can use a mainframe computer at the same time. Large scale industry use a mainframe computer in the design and manufacture of electric goods. Mainframe computer mainly used in a large organization or a large company or industry. It is mainly used to design electric goods and manufacture of electric goods. Okay, and other machines in large institutions like bank, airlines and railway. These computers are used to store and analyze data or to maintain a large network of computers. Mainly mainframe computer का use maintain large network को maintain करने के लिए भी होता है. Organization जब large है, at that time you can use a mainframe computer to maintain the data of employees, or if you want to maintain a large scale data and if you want to maintain a large scale network, at that time you can use a mainframe computer. Okay, उसके बाद हमारा थर्ड टाइप है मिनी कंप्यूटर्स. These computers are smaller and cheaper than mainframe computers, less expensive than a mainframe computer, and these computers are also smaller than a computer. Mini computer are smaller than a main computer and also cheaper than a main computer. It can be used by more than 10 people at the same time. जैसे मेन फ्रेम कंप्यूटर में हम मेन फ्रेम कंप्यूटर को हम more than 100 people can use at the same time. ऐसे ही मिनी कंप्यूटर को more than 10 people can use at the same time. Okay. Like a mainframe computer, mini computers are also used by a large institutions like bank, commercial organizations, government department, and other organizations. Like mainframe computer, mini computers are also used in a large-scale industry or large organization. Like government department use a mini computer, and like all commercial organization and government department and other organization use a mini computer to maintain their data and records. Okay. उसके बाद है माइक्रो कंप्यूटर्स, जो लास्ट टाइप है, and you all are familiar with this type. Okay. This computer are used in our homes, offices and schools. They cost less than a mini computers. इसकी कॉस्ट इससे लेस थी और माइक्रो कंप्यूटर की कॉस्ट मिनी कंप्यूटर से लेस है. ओके. दिस कंप्यूटर आर यूज्ड इन होम्स. You all familiar with this type of computers. You all like laptops and PC. Personal computers are one kind of microcomputer. Okay. Cost less than a mini computer and only one person can use. इसमें क्या था? More than 100 people can use mainframe computer at the same time. इसमें more than 10 people can use mini computer at the same time. But microcomputer you can use only one person can use a microcomputer at the same time. Okay. They are used to create and store a document, maintain account, keep a record of the data like name, address, phone number and phone number of friend and relatives, play games and listen to music. These are three main types of माइक्रोकंप्यूटर का यूज डेटा पर्टिकुलर स्मॉल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है उसमें डेटा मेंटेन करने के लिए माइक्रोकंप्यूटर का यूज होता है. और if you want to listen a music, play game with the microcomputer you can easily do. Okay. Mainly microcomputer की 3 टाइप है. उसमें फर्स्ट वन है पीसी मींस पर्सनल कंप्यूटर, जो डेस्कटॉप हम बोलते हैं उसे पर्सनल कंप्यूटर कहते हैं और पीसी भी बोलते हैं. लैपटॉप इज वन काइंड ऑफ माइक्रोकंप्यूटर and handheld computer. Handheld computer like it is look like your cell phone or smartphone. You can it is look like that. And so this is the main 3 type of a microcomputer: desktop, laptop and handheld computer. Okay. So now we will finish our lecture here.